Hello, everyone, and a very warm, gentle welcome to you. You found your way to the dimmed attic, our cozy little corner of the internet dedicated entirely to the art and science of sleep. I'm so glad you're here. Take a moment now, if you haven't already, to find a comfortable position. Let your shoulders drop, release the tension in your jaw, and allow your body to feel heavy and supported. Tonight, we're not going to dive into complex theories or overwhelming data. Instead, we're simply going to talk. Think of this as a quiet conversation, a gentle lecture meant not to challenge your mind, but to soothe it. The rain you might hear faintly tapping against the attic window is our only soundtrack, a soft rhythmic patter to accompany my voice and guide you toward rest. Let's begin by acknowledging the day that has just passed. It's over now. Whatever happened, the triumphs, the challenges, the conversations, the tasks left undone, it all belongs to the past. Right now, in this present moment, none of it requires your attention. You have done enough for today. You are enough. Give yourself permission to release the day. Imagine placing it all into a box, closing the lid, and setting it aside, out of sight and out of mind, until morning. It will be there for you if you need it, but for tonight you are free from its weight. Now let's bring our awareness to our breath. Don't try to change it or control it. Just notice it. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen, the cool air entering your nostrils, and the slightly warmer air leaving. Each breath is an anchor to this present peaceful moment. Each breath is a wave, washing away the lingering thoughts and worries of the day. In and out. A steady, reliable rhythm that has been with you your entire life, quietly supporting you. Trust in this rhythm. Let it carry you. As you continue to breathe, let's talk about the mind. Our minds are incredible storytellers, aren't they? They love to spin tales about the future, replay scenes from the past, and create elaborate what-if scenarios. It's their job, in a way. But at night, this storytelling can keep us awake. It's like a little theater in our heads, with the lights on and the actors refusing to go home. So what can we do? We can become the gentle, unimpressed audience. When a thought arises, as it inevitably will, simply notice it. See it for what it is. Just a thought. Not a command, not a fact, not an emergency. Imagine each thought as a single, fluffy cloud drifting across the vast, dark sky of your mind. You can observe it, acknowledge its shape. There's a thought about tomorrow's meeting. And then watch as it continues to drift on by, eventually disappearing over the horizon. Don't chase it, don't fight it, just let it go. Another one might appear and you'll do the same. You are the sky, not the clouds. Vast, calm, and unchanging. Let's turn our attention now to the body, this wonderful vessel that carries us through our days. Sometimes we hold on to physical tension without even realizing it. So let's do a gentle scan. Starting with the tips of your toes, can you imagine a wave of relaxation, warm and heavy, slowly washing over them? Feel that warmth spreading into the soles of your feet, your heels, your ankles. All the tiny muscles and bones in your feet are letting go, becoming completely loose and relaxed. This gentle warmth now flows up into your calves and shins. Feel them growing heavy, sinking deeper into your bed. Any tightness from walking or standing today just melts away. The wave continues its journey, up into your knees and your thighs, front and back. These large, powerful muscles have worked hard. Allow them to soften completely. Feel the weight of your legs, fully supported, fully at rest. There is nothing for them to do right now but to be still. The wave of relaxation now pools in your hips and your pelvis, an area where we often store a great deal of stress. Let it all dissolve. Feel your lower back release its curve, spreading out and softening against the surface beneath you. The warmth continues to creep upward, vertebra by vertebra, all the way up your spine. Each muscle along your spine lets go. Your entire back feels soft and supple. Now bring that awareness into your abdomen. Let your belly be soft. Let go of any clenching. The warm, heavy feeling spreads across your chest, allowing your breathing to become even deeper and more serene. Let your shoulders, which so often carry our burdens, fall away from your ears. Feel them melt downwards, releasing any and all tension they've been holding. This wonderful feeling of release flows down your arms, through your elbows, into your forearms, and all the way to your wrists, your hands, and the very tips of your fingers. Your arms feel heavy, limp, and wonderfully still. Finally, this wave of relaxation travels up your neck, soothing all the muscles that support your head. It moves into your jaw. Let it hang slightly loose. Your cheeks soften. The tiny muscles around your eyes relax. Your forehead becomes smooth and clear. Your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, is now in a state of deep, profound rest. In this state of quiet, know that it's okay if you are still awake. Sleep is not a battle to be won. It's a gentle surrender. It's an invitation you extend to yourself. Sometimes, sleep accepts the invitation immediately. Other times, it is shy and takes a while to arrive. That's perfectly all right. The goal is not to force sleep, but to create the perfect conditions for it to emerge naturally. And that is what you are doing right now. You are resting. And rest is just as valuable. Rest is restorative. Rest is healing. Think of sleep as a gentle tide, slowly coming in to shore. You are lying on the warm sand, and you can feel the water beginning to lap at your toes. You don't need to swim out to meet it. You just need to lie there, patiently, and allow the tide to slowly, surely, and gently envelop you. Let my voice be like the sound of those distant waves, a soothing presence that reassures you that all is well. You are safe. You are comfortable. And you are drifting, slowly and peacefully, toward the shores of sleep. There is nothing else you need to do, nothing to figure out, nowhere else to be. You are exactly where you need to be. Drifting, floating, letting go. Allow the darkness behind your eyes to become a soft, velvety blanket. Allow the quiet of the room to wrap around you like a warm hug. Each moment that passes, you sink a little deeper, a little further into comfort, a little closer to sleep. Thank you for spending this time with me here in the dimmed attic. I hope these words have brought you some peace. If you've enjoyed this lecture, please consider subscribing for more peaceful nights. For now, just continue to float on the gentle currents of your breath. Good night. Sleep well.